In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your network settings on your Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to Settings in the top right. Then from General, scroll over and we're going to go to Network Settings. Then what you want to do is go to Manage Wireless Networks and go to Manage My Networks. And you want to find the Wi-Fi network you're connected to and you want to disconnect from it. Then we're going to scroll over and go to Disconnect because we want it to forget everything. So if you've been messing around with the advanced settings for your Wi-Fi network, this can cause issues. So once you're fully disconnected from your Wi-Fi network, we're going to go back to Manage Wireless Networks and go to Set up my wireless network. And then you want to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network that you just disconnected from. So go ahead and find it and select it and then input your password. So once you're reconnected to your Wi-Fi, you can press continue and can test your network speed and statistics. And if you're still experiencing problems after doing this, you can power cycle your modem and or router at home by unplugging the power cable for 30 to 60 seconds and plugging it back in. Now, if you're constantly getting network errors and you want to take a drastic measure, you can go to System and scroll over and select Console Info, and then go to Reset Console. Then you'll have the option of either selecting Reset and keep my games and apps, or Reset and remove everything. But I wouldn't do this unless you know what you're doing. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.